The very first experience in my life, making miso.
The ingredients are salt, soybeans, and malted rice. Pour just enough water to cover the beans in a pot. As the scum rises to the surface, skim off it carefully and cook it for about 3 hours. Meanwhile, loosen the malted rice and add water. Mix well. Put a saran wrap for about 1 hour, but it'll be better to mix it every 15 minutes to restore to the original condition. When it got ready, add salt, and combine really well. This is called 塩切り麹. About 3 hours later, the beans get soft, just as you can smash it with your fingers very easily. Take it out. You can either put it in a plastic bag and smash it, or you can use a smasher to make the beans really smooth when it's still warm. Then keep kneading with 塩切り麹. You can add the bean broth to control the softness. When it gets as soft as a earlobe, you make them like tennis balls and put them in a container. Make them flat and try to take all the air out at the same time. The air can be cause of the mold. Put a saran wrap on it. And salt on top of it as a weight. If you make it in the winter, you should keep it in a cold and a dark place for 6 months. If you make it in the summer, it'll be ready in 3 months.
Okay, so see you in 6 months.